because they would teach you life lessons about everything. And you need to make a decision in your life. Do you want to go to prison? It's been a beautiful day.
It has.
Unexpected.
I know. Did not know what to expect.
So are you guys going to proceed on this or you need more time?
Judge, I think we're going to proceed. I think we've got it worked out. As long something for the court to consider at least.
All right. All right. The court is calling 2023 CR 3050A State versus Gabriela Sanchez. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Prater for the state.
David McLean for the defense.
And are you Ms. Sanchez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So Attorney McLean has been appointed to represent you. Your previous attorney asked that she be removed and that another attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you have any objections to this attorney representing you?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. McLean, are you waiving notice?
I am, Judge.
All right. Ms. Sanchez, did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you
Your Honor.
understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you the same Gabriela Sanchez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 3050A for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on May 22nd, 2023 for a period of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Judge will be proceeding on a violation of condition number 1, specifically that on or about the 24th day of April 2026 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Gabriela Isabel Sanchez committed the offense of purchase or furnishing alcohol to a minor in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
State.
We'll waive the remaining allegations.
Any
No
objections
no
to the
objection.
waivers?
No
Did you
objection.
understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, just give me one moment. So again, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, I do.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true, and you have no objections to the state's waivers?
I do not, Your Honor.
All right, is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to amend for SATF, followed by SATF aftercare.
All righty.
Don't worry, yeah, we're gonna TIC the new number 1.
All right, and what's that cost number?
That cause number is going to be 2026 PF 22169.
That's our understanding, Judge. We'd ask the court to follow that if the court is so inclined.
All right, do you all have any objection to the court review and the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, do you know if there's any mental health issues going on here?
Not that I know of, Judge. I've talked with her. I don't really see anything that's giving me concern about that. I think it's youth. But for the grace of God go I sometimes when I look back to my youthful days. I think we had a pretty good discussion today about the urgent need for her to get her act together, for lack of a better word. She's got to start complying with probation. She's got to quit partying and she's got to start doing what she needs to be doing on the probation.
How old are you?
22, Your Honor.
All right, do you want to go to prison?
No, not at all, Your Honor.
All right, when I was growing up, they would have scared straight programs. They would have, I'll never forget this episode. It was called Caged. It was with Susan Day, I think the lady who played in the Partridge Family.
Mhm.
And it was with her. And I think in that episode, she was shoplifting and she ended up in prison. And they don't have those programs for children anymore. They need to bring back the after school special
Mhm.
because they would teach you life lessons about everything. And you need to make a decision in your life. Do you want to go to prison?
No, Your Honor, not at all.
People say that, and they say that when they've spent a little time at the Bexar County Jail, then they're like, oh, how did I get here? I'm going to change my ways. And then you look up, keep doing the same thing. And this whole thing with you, where it says that you furnished or providing alcohol to a minor, you're not helping that minor, you're making their life difficult. And you are no longer a minor, you're an adult. And you should not be presenting negative impact on other young people's lives because they're struggling just the way you're struggling. You're making it more difficult for them when it should be. You should be the one telling them the right thing to do. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And this minor, what was their relationship to you?
It's a brother, a half brother.
I'm sorry, what?
It's a half brother.
Half brother?
Yeah.
See, we don't do halves. It's like either that's your brother, that's not your brother, right?
Right.
So he's looking up to you and you just led him astray. You understand?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
how old was he?
He was 19.
You're leading him astray. You should be saying, hey, don't do this. You're going to end up like me. And I don't want that for you. I want you to be better. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. This is what the court will do. The court is going to follow your agreement. The court is going to alter and amend conditions to include a referral, and this is to be in custody. There's going to be a referral to Esperanza Court, and I'm doing that based upon the photos they said she was uploading, and you need to be honest about that, okay?
Yes, Your
They're
Honor.
going to interview you, and if that's true, then Esperanza Court will accept her. If she denies, no, I've never done that before,
Right.
then they're going to say no. And then counsel, do you think it would be best for her to be referred? Probation, you think felony drug court would accept her?
Based on what she's on probation for now.
All right, so we'll do a referral to Esperanza Court, and then if not accepted, then SATA followed by aftercare.
I'll confer with my client about exactly what all that means, Judge. I'll make sure she understands.
Right. And is there anything else you need from me in order to be successful?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, probation, anything else? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is yours. Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thanks.
Appreciate you.
You too. Have a good one. And is this for applications for deferred or regular?
It's regular, Judge.
All right, it's for regular. Court is calling 2026 CR 001382, 2025 CR 015494-02, State versus Angelo Montgomery. Can I have parties announced?
State.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Mr. Montgomery?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Montgomery, in each cause number, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictments as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Montgomery, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 82, you're charged with assault on a security officer. The range of punishment for that is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 02, you're charged with assault of a peace officer or judge. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of the cause numbers?
Sure.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he's currently competent, Judge. I just want to put for the record that he was previously found not to be incompetent, but was restored, and I do find him to be competent here today.
All right, and was sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Montgomery, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter these pleas?
Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. The cause numbers will run concurrently, and it'll also run concurrently with 2023 CC 013452 and 2025 CC 013452. State will take in consideration 2026 CR 001384 and 2026 CR 005475. Outside the agreement, the state is recommending 5 years probation, 120 hours of community service restitution, no contact with the complainants, the APSE course, mental health evaluation, and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State defense?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, any such motion?
There have not, Judge.
Then in each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers States Exhibit 1 and all attachments in both causes.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, in each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty in each cause number. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I would just inform the court that I was appointed to Mr. Montgomery's cases after he was restored to competency. So I've only seen him after that. However, reading the reports and seeing the evidence in this case, I think there's a marked difference between him today and him during those cases. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that he's been taking his medication. I've encouraged him to keep taking his medication. That's why I think the mental health eval and presumably the Mick Myoff caseload after that is going to be, I think, crucial to his success.
All right, do you have any support system, mom, dad, anyone?
I have my dad.
All right. And if you were released, is that who you would be staying with?
Yes, I will.
All right, have you ever had a case manager?
I have, yes. Ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Abrams, do you recommend the Mick evaluation in custody or out of custody?
Judge, if we could do the first part in custody, that would be great.
All right. Court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 2 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 001382 and 2025 CC 013452. taking consideration 2026 CR 0045575. So should I just put in custody for,
Make evaluation in custody, we'll get the preliminary results. I can let you know that.
all right, make evaluation in custody. And there's to be regular UAs. I'm not adding other conditions. Probation, I believe this is a mental health issue because I saw that when he was admitted to the hospital, it's due to schizophrenia.
Okay.
So is there anything else that's required? I mean, you want him to obtain a case manager or referral to Center for Healthcare Services?
But if that's the case, then I'm quite sure the bank is gonna take care of it.
All right, there's going to be a referral for Center for Healthcare Services. And then let's have a status on him. Can we do an update in 60 days? All right, I need a reset for 60 days for status.
It'll be August 17th.
Can we not do it that week? That's my brother's birthday.
August 10th.
All right, August 10th.
Hey, Judge, please, the term,
for 2 years. Because I really think this is a mental health issue.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure. Let's see, 0. And then we're going to move on to 2026 CR 001382. All right, guilty. Sentence him to 6 years, suspended and probated for 2 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, in custody. Mickey Val, referred to Center for Healthcare Services. Concurrent with 2025 CR 015494-02 and 2023 CC 013452. Taking consideration 2026 CR 001384. No contact. All right, these are people, I believe, at the Bexar County Jail. I mean, how is he going to have no contact with them if he's at the Bexar County Jail?
You put them in the Immediat jail.
Oh, we will? Oh, that's what they do?
Yeah,
So they'll know?
it's already probably funded.
All right, so there's to be no contact with Anthony Castillo and Dante Johnson. And then we'll have the same update August 10th for a status update. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, Your Honor, just very thankful.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places, in each case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, please stay on your medications, okay? If there's an issue with your medications, side effects, because I know there are a lot of side effects to different medications, just let somebody know. Don't go off your meds because then you end up having criminal cases, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and we'll be back here. They're going to give you a reset form. You have the reset form?
I will get it, Judge. Yes.
They're going to give you a reset form because I'm going to want to see you in 60 days, and it's just to get a status on how you're doing, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and your dad, he's going to let you live with him?
I have to call him.
All right, if you don't have a place to stay when you get out, come back to court and let us know. We'll be here Monday through Friday, not on the weekends, so, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Ready for a reflection?
Yes, who?
Rafael Rodriguez on page 32 down.
Rafael Rodriguez. Hello, so what's going on here?
The judge, I was not able to speak with my complainant to discuss the plea offer.
Okay,
So if it's this court's inclination to set it for trial, I understand. If it's okay with this court going towards that trial setting, we can potentially still get this resolved. I just want to make sure the complainant is aware of the terms.
all right, and when do you think you're playing, I mean, should you know something by tomorrow?
I hope so, Judge. He's been playing phone tag with my advocate,
Okay,
but in full candor, I can't guarantee that.
all right, so I'm gonna recall it for tomorrow. So just sign the reset form and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
And tomorrow, just to see if this is gonna work out. Okay,
Yes. All
thank you, Judge.
right, thank you.
Judge, I have another,
Yes,
Alton Bull,
what page?
she. Bull. She's on page 5, going down.
All right, State on Gould, were you all able to tender an offer?
Yes, Judge.
PTD? All right. Well, as soon as she comes back, we'll take care of that.
We have an MTR ready.
Okay. Hello.
The conversation shifted to responsibility, influence, and accountability, especially after learning she had provided alcohol to her younger brother. It became a defining moment about growing up, making better decisions, and earning one final chance before prison became a reality.